All right, let's talk about AI training. It really is a tale of two playbooks, depending on a company's core mission. Are they all about serving shareholders, or are they focused on delighting customers? Because, as we're about to see, that one choice completely changes how they approach everything. Now, just a quick heads up, what we're covering today is part 9 of a much bigger research report from Virtualization Options LLC. So yeah, we're only scratching the surface here, but we're going to zero in on a really fascinating part of the puzzle.
Okay, so let's boil this whole thing down. On one side, you've got training that's all about profit, squeezing out every bit of efficiency, maximizing that ROI. But on the other side, you have training for people, making the customer experience better and building trust for the long haul. This one distinction, it changes everything that follows.
So where's the first place you see this difference play out? Well, it's right there in the syllabus. What a company actually decides to teach its employees about AI is a direct reflection of what they really care about. Let's take a look. Wow, okay, this slide just lays it all out, doesn't it? Look at the left column, the shareholder focus. It's all about control, numbers, and defense. You see words like governance, risk, ROI, compliance. But then look at the right side. It's all about understanding people. We're talking about analytics, personalization, ethics, and even emotional intelligence. I mean, these are two totally different universes. So the what is different. But that's not all. This also has a huge impact on who gets trained and what kind of team the company is even trying to build. Are they making a few super specialized experts, or are they trying to give everyone broader skills? If you're focused on shareholder value, you are absolutely forging specialists. This isn't about training everybody. No way. It's about taking that expensive, intensive training and pointing it like a laser at the few roles that can give you a clear, fast, and measurable financial win. It's a very surgical approach. But flip the coin and you get a totally different picture. The customer-focused approach is all about cultivating collaborators. Here, the idea is to spread AI literacy far and wide. Why? Because you can't have a great customer experience if only one department gets it. You need everyone, from sales to support, working together to make every single interaction awesome. So we've covered the what and the who. Now let's talk about the how. Because, you guessed it, the way they actually get this knowledge into people's heads couldn't be more different. You can see the pattern here, right? For the shareholder-focused company, the delivery is super targeted. We're talking about exclusive workshops for the C-suite, hardcore boot camps for the chosen few, and a big emphasis on certifications to make sure all the boxes are ticked for compliance. It's very controlled, very top-down. And this is where the difference just feels huge. In the customer-focused world, it's all about access for everyone. The training is way more hands-on, they're using real customer scenarios, doing role-playing, they're building practical, empathetic skills. The goal here is just to keep getting better, together, all the time. Okay, this is all great, but here's the billion-dollar question, right? How does anybody know if this training is actually working? Given how different their goals are, you can bet their scorecards look nothing alike. And here it is. Their metrics are perfect mirror images of their goals. The shareholder model wants proof in the numbers. They want to see the certifications, the audit trails, the cold, hard ROI. Competency is something you document. But the customer model, they want proof in the experience. Are customer satisfaction scores going up? Are employees applying what they learned? For them, competency is something you demonstrate. You know, for all their differences, and there are a ton, there is one massive challenge they both share, and that's the never-ending update. AI tech, the rules, what customers want, it's all changing so fast that the training curriculum is basically never finished. It's a constant race to stay relevant. So this leaves us with a really important question to think about for your own world. Is your organization training its people to be super efficient with systems, or is it training them to be more empathetic with people? And maybe the most important question of all, which one of those skills do you think is going to last longer?